Welcome. Are you looking to manage your blocked accounts on Messenger? Today, I'll guide you through a simple and updated method to view those blocked accounts using your Android device. It's easier than you might think, so let's jump right in. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access the settings. Next, look for the menu icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines, located at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it to proceed. Once you've opened the menu, tap the gear icon to access the settings. This is where you'll find all the options related to your Messenger account. Now, it's time to find the Privacy and Safety option. Go ahead and tap on it to see more settings regarding who can contact you and your account's privacy. Finally, look for the Blocked Accounts option within the Privacy and Safety menu. When you tap on it, you'll be able to see a list of all the accounts you've blocked on Messenger. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily view all your blocked accounts on Messenger. Remember, managing your blocked list can help you maintain your privacy and control over who can reach you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.